Yo, what's up, editor? Welcome back. So, in this video, I'm going to introduce a powerful and professional AI that will completely blow your mind. And also in this video, I'm going to show you how to use that AI. So watch the tutorial till the end.
Now here you can see many options. So first we'll enhance our low quality photos into high quality portraits. Now just follow my steps. Now add your low quality photo. Now here you can see many AI models. Now for example, I choose Advanced Restore option. Now here you can see the actual results of that AI model. This AI model will help you to enhance your raw photo by adding colors and making it smooth. Now moving up to the another enhancement, but a bit different way. And if you don't want to use those personal settings, you can just use pre-made templates. Now here you can see results and details. Now moving up to the third image. Now I'll show you the portrait AI model. Here's the results. Now here you can see the difference. Now I'll show you how to generate AI photos by using Multiples AI. Here you can see some of images that I've generated. So for example, I'll show you how to generate. So now here you can see many AI models. Now here you can see the results. Here's some images that I've created using Nano Banana.